What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about push-ups and how to do them the right way so that you don't get injured, you don't get sore elbows or painful shoulders when you're doing these. And so here's just a few tips and cues so you make sure you're doing your push-ups correctly. And so the first one is to think of yourself as a lever, where your body is completely stiff, forming a straight line, and your toes are the fulcrum. And it's basically like you're doing a plank, everything tight, your trunk, your lumbar muscles, your glutes, your quads, everything. Make sure you maintain a tight, rigid body. Maintain that plank throughout the exercise, maintain the lever. If you don't stay tight throughout the movement, you'll shortchange your results, and you also won't generate as much power. The second tip is to fix your head position. Rather than looking ahead, you should be looking down at the ground right in front of you. This places your neck in a neutral position and maintains the straight line from head to foot. Don't look ahead, look down. Next, you want to keep your elbows in, not flared out. Make sure they're nice and tight, close to your body. Flaring out your elbows places your shoulders in an internally rotated position, which is a major cause of shoulder pain during the exercise. A good cue for this is to externally rotate your hands when you place them on the floor so that your thumbs are pointing straight ahead and your fingers are pointing out to the sides. This basically forces your elbows to stay in against your body. The next cue is to protract your shoulder blades at the top. At the top of the push-up, your shoulder blades should be fully protracted. As you descend, they will retract. This ensures that you're doing a full range of motion, and to note, it's also completely different than what you would do on a bench press, where you want your shoulder blades retracted the whole time. Here, you're going from retraction to protraction at the top. And the final piece of advice is to emphasize quality over quantity. Technique is more important than speed. Form follows function. The major problem people run into push-ups is that they're chasing a number rather than chasing quality. The push-up seems like a simple movement, but you really want to come at it with the mindset of trying to master it. You'll probably be able to do a lot less push-ups at the outset, but over the long run, you're going to avoid injury, and so over the course of your lifetime, you'll probably be able to do many more push-ups, which is what it's all about. So thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.